Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. Issue is that when you just try to sign in with your Apple ID in the iPhone and they're saying that error occurred while signing in. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone or your iPad? Simply just follow all these steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix that issue. Simply just connect with your Wi-Fi and also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, you're just going to scroll it down and the option of a transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. After that, just going back again back. So many users facing issue because they cannot update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So that's why they're getting the error in the sign in the Apple ID. So after that, try to sign in with your Apple ID, and if your problem not gonna solve, simply just power off your iPhone and get on it. After on, you try to sign in with your Apple ID and your login issue solve. So that's the video. If your problem gone so not gonna solve after that settings, you just have to just contact with the Apple support team and tell them your problem, and they're gonna tell you that in the 2 to 3 weeks your problem gonna solve. And if you're getting more problems, so you just have to just contact and go to the service mobile repair centers and tell them your problem. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.